Hi and welcome to Happy Camper. This is just a quick instructional video so that you can learn how to use all the features in the camper. So let's go inside and take a look. Okay, so once you step inside, just to your right here, the front door, you will see this is the panel for control. Okay, so we have here, this is for the awning extending and retracting. For the awning out here, which goes out very far. We have the slide in and the slide out, which is our dinette area. This is fully slid out right now to show you how it looks when you slide in. You're going to take the table and you're going to set it down, and then that creates the space for the other bed. We also have an awning light on and off if you're outside. And then here there's a porch light as well. That's right, you can't see it here, what's behind here. Here for the porch if you're sitting. And this is the interior lights here inside the area. Okay, so that is the control panel. Here we have the fridge, right? So we're just going to push and pull open the fridge here. You see the area for all of your food to be cooled, and you have here the freezer section as well. I'm leaving this on, right, and set here to auto so that if you are going to be using the propane, it's going to switch over to that automatically, no problem, and you can use this here to check in case. Okay, so let's go into the bathroom. Okay. So the bathroom is standard here. The flush is a foot pedal. And here we have another set. Now this is a heating system, which is very doubtful that you're going to need in Florida, but this is to turn on to heat the fresh water, the gray water, or the black. Here we have turning on the water pump, which you want to, the water heater and the water pump. So once you're set up and you've got your electricity connected, that's when you're going to want to turn these on. And then when you need to check, you can use these buttons here, right? This button will press for the gray water. It will light up here to show you how full the gray water tank is. You have empty, 1/3, 2/3 full. The black water, same, you press the button and it will light up. The fresh water will light up, and then the battery as well. Okay, when you return this, you want to make sure that the gray and the black are at empty. Okay, so here is the light in the bathroom to turn on for lighting in the bathroom. Here we come to the kitchen area. So here's your sink. You can just lift the lid, and here you'll be able to use your sink. And here is the range. Okay. So you have the left, you have the right, and here's the light. You're going to need to use the matches, which I have furnished you with. And when you turn on light, make sure your propane's on first, and then you can light the range. We also have here below microwave, all the standard features. I don't need to explain that. Underneath here, we have supplies. There's sponges, soap, and other supplies for kitchen. And up here we have your plates and cups, colanders, glasses, they're plastic. And then here we have all the utensils you're going to need for cooking. There's some straws back there. Down here you've got your pots, pans, your cooking accoutrement. And here you find, here's a lighter, here's matches, there's also some flashlights in case you need it. There's a baking pan as well. And in this other section, you have here some bags should you need it. There's a safe. You have here the toaster and the coffee machine. Above here, you will find the TV. And here, right next to it here, is the remote. Right here. Okay. Now, swinging over above the dining area, if you need, you will find here is a set of towels. You've got full on bath towels and washcloths, face towels. We have here is a section for some games, puzzles. Here is a box containing lots of treats and snacks should you want some. And here's the main bed, the queen bed, which has some space here that you can use for storage, as well as on the other side. And if you are stopped, you can also use this come down as well, and there's storage above the bed too. Also, to make note, here is the AC. Okay, and when you turn this on, you have the option in the mode for cold or hot. Obviously, we're in Florida, you're going to want it to be cold. Okay, and here's just some instructions and reminders for using the Happy Camper. Now let's go outside. Okay, so using the same key that we used to enter the camper, you're also going to use it to open up these pass-through. Okay, so here is the electric cable, and there you will see 4 folding chairs for your use. If you want to sit outside, please use them. And here is the electric. I'm going to go to the other side, show you. Also right here, I want to make note, here is where your propane is. Okay, right now it's not on. You will turn this knob to turn it on, and you'll make sure that whatever you've received the camper at, the amount of propane that's in it, that you return it please with that same amount of propane to avoid a fee. Okay, then you also have the battery here, and it's off now. If you turn it, if you turn it this way, then it's on. Okay, so when you're plugged in, you might want to turn it on so it can be charging. Now let's come to the other side here. All right, here on the other side of the pass-through, I'm going to use the key to open it up. This side's a little sticky. Okay, here you will find the box here. This box contains your hosing for the sewer. Okay, so this hose, you're going to make sure you're going to come around here, and you're going to connect it here to the sewer outlet connection. You take that lid off and you connect it. Okay, so the other thing that you'll find here, this is for city, this is just regular water that you can use if you want to connect like this one to city connection. Okay, and this here is a fresh water. Okay, and it's labeled fresh water so that we won't confuse that. Okay, and the fresh water connection is right here. Here's fresh, and this is for city. Okay, and if you need to also, when you are making sure that you empty the gray and the black, you have here the 2 that you're going to pull out. Okay, and you're going to make sure that all of the water is empty before you bring it back. Here, in rare occasion, you'd need to use the black tank flush. I doubt you need that. And here's where you connect the electricity. Okay, electricity goes here, and here outside is an outdoor shower. You can use this key to open it up and use the outdoor shower. Here inside you'll also find leveling jack. Okay, so that is available here as well in our unit. Okay, so lastly, outside I'm just going to show you that there is this ladder here that goes up on the top, and should you want to use the racks up there, some people use it to store luggage or kayak, canoe, you have that option as well. So this is the NOBO 2020 Happy Camper, and I really hope that you will enjoy your stay, and if there's anything at all that you need to make you more comfortable, please let me know leaving, and if there's any challenges, of course, you can contact